Hey guys, my name is Glenn Murray and welcome to this high ticket affiliate blueprint mini masterclass. I'm not going to give you a bunch of fluff. I'm just going to walk you through exactly how high ticket affiliate marketing works and what is the best product out there to be promoting going into 2026. All right, make sure you subscribe to the button and give it a like, hit the notification so you get a notification when I put up videos. I make a lot of short videos on YouTube. I do make longer form videos. So I just subscribing to the channel helps out so much. So I greatly appreciate it. All right. High ticket affiliate blueprint, how to build a $1,000 a day funnel from scratch. And this is reality. And people are using this to make much more than that. And full disclosure, if you don't put everything into it, you're not going to have any success. And some people struggle to have success. Usually it's because they think they're doing it right and they're not. But full disclosure, you may not make anything. I'm just going to show you the steps of what's working for me. And so there's no income claims on this whatsoever. So this is going to be your complete roadmap to launching a profitable online business, even if you're starting from zero. The blueprint shows you exactly how to promote high ticket digital products and build automated income streams. All right. So that's what we're doing here. Why high ticket changes everything. And I was guilty of this. I was in the low ticket trap. I promoted Warrior Plus products when I first came out. I was using solo ads. I still promoted up until recently a low ticket product. It did lead to a high ticket product. And then what I started doing was I actually changed up. I started introducing more back end stuff into my funnel so that I could not give away those subscription based products that you need for running a funnel and affiliate marketing. So selling a $27 product with a $10 commission, usually it's 50%, maybe a $13 commission, means you need 100 sales to make $1,000. It's exhausting, time consuming, and unsustainable for beginners. So you want to look for something with a minimum commission of about $400, $500 that you're going to make. So if you're getting 50%, it has to be an $800 to $1,000 product. If you're making 100% commission, which you can make on certain products, and some people call these MRR, but they're not truly MRR because you actually don't get the product. The product is delivered by the creator still. So it's technically still a commission-based product. They're just paying you 100% commissions for the sale. That in turn, they can then sell them into other products once they're in their ecosystem. So the sweet spot for high ticket offers is $400. All right. This is where you're going to be able to just have a couple sales and hit that $1,000 a day income, which is really easy. So 100% commissions, and then you only need 3 to 5 sales per day. So promoting products with 400 to $2,000 commissions means just 3 to 5 sales, which gets you to 1,000. It's basically the same effort, exponentially better rate results. And the thing is, there's way less refunds on a high ticket product than there is on those little $27 products. You get tons of refunds on those. So you make 100 sales, maybe 7 to 8% refund. So that means you got to make 110 sales to make that $1,000. All right. So the best strategy for beginners, the ultimate beginning strategy is promoting 100% commissionable digital business, like passive digital mastery, which I'm going to get into. I'm going to put a link below. This is the best product you want to be promoting going into 2026. This isn't just affiliate marketing. It's building a real business where you keep all the profit. So one, like I said, it's delivered within the creator's realm. So there's no product creation. The entire system, sales process, and delivery are done for you. Focus purely on marketing. And what's great about PDM is throughout all the training, whenever there is a product that is suggested or recommended to buy, in the training it says go back to the person that referred you and ask them if they're an affiliate for this product. So that is really great. I get so many emails from people, hey, I'm in the training and it said, I need to get this tool. I want to get it. Are you an affiliate for it? And I go, yeah, and I send the affiliate link and boom, another sale. So again, you get to keep 100% profits, which means it goes directly into your pockets. There's no splits, no middleman, except for processing for Stripe or PayPal, whatever you're going to use. And then it's built specifically for beginners with templates, funnels, automation already working. So it's really just sort of copy and paste kind of stuff there. Finding your product and platform. So if you don't want to go with the PDM product, another place you can find high ticket offers is Digistore, JVZoo, Copecart, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, all these places you can find high ticket offers. And Digistore 24 is probably one of the easiest ones. Copecart's really easy. JVZoo, they're all easy to get into. Basically, you want to go in there and you want to look for products. If they're paying 50%, you want to look for products that pay at least a $400 commission. So $800 to $1,000 products. Evaluation criteria. This is important. Make sure they look professional. Make sure they're conversion focused. Make sure it has a strong hook that speaks to your audience pain points, depending on what niche you're in. And the commission value, of course, we talked about 400 to 2,000, and it has a proven track record. So you can see positive affiliate reviews for that product. So that's how you want to go find a product if you don't want to use the one I recommend, but just go use the one I recommend. Now, for your marketing system, there's so many ways you can go. ClickFunnels, Aweber, Go High Level, ConvertCart. You've got ClickFunnels 2, you've got System.io. What I've found is I found one called Cap Hub, and this is called Captivation Hub, and I've got a very special deal with the owner where you can get a huge discount on it if you get your subscription for it through me. So I will put a link to that below. They also offer an entire training course on it. It's called the Online Profit Secrets course, and that's what I went through. They also provide 4 other 100% commission products inside that are already set up for you. So it's a huge win. Hey, you learn step by step every nuance of their system, and they give you products to promote using their system and how to build everything out. So for me, CapHub's a no-brainer. It also replaces ManyChat. So basically your ManyChat, which is basically when you have a post on social media and you want it automated, someone says, hey, start. I'm sure you've seen that before. This will send them a message, and it's done automatically for you, because once you get a certain amount of followers, you just can't keep up. There's no possible way. You'd be texting 24/7. So it replaces that. It replaces your autoresponder. It replaces your funnel builder. It actually replaces Stand Store or a Beacon Store. It has blog pages. It has websites. It has courses. You can do membership sites in there. Everything is under one umbrella. And like I said, if you get it through me, you get this huge discount. Like you're only paying a third of what they charge normally. So there's no more tool juggling. It's beginner friendly. It's built-in automation for everything. It's a super cost-effective solution. I'm moving all my stuff over to it. So it's a no-brainer. So that is the Captivation Hub, your marketing system. You can go the other route, but what's going to happen is you're going to end up paying a $97 fee for System.io. You're going to be paying anywhere from $15 to $200 for your ManyChat, right? You're going to have now System.io can do some core stuff, but it's very weak on it, whereas Captivation Hub has it all. Now, if you want a Stand Store or Beacons, that's another anywhere from $50 to $100 a month. So you just got all these things. If it doesn't work correct, you got to get Zapier to move things over. It's a pain. Basically, it replaces anywhere from $400 to $500 worth of subscriptions when you get to a certain level. And if you're using ClickFunnels Aweber, it would replace at a certain level like a $2,000 system, because Aweber just keeps charging you for the more subscriptions you have. CapHub doesn't do that. It's one fee, always one fee. That's it. All right. So it's also got the CRM in it. It's got opportunities. You see how many people have come into your funnel, what's the potential of them. It's got a really robust CRM as well. So it's a no-brainer. That's what you want to be using. Building your conversion funnel. So 3-step foundation. So you match the product's branding. So let's go say you go find an amazing product on JVZoo or Digistore 24, and you want to build a landing page for it. Well, it's super easy. You go into CapHub, hit build a funnel, and you basically hit a template, bring in a template, delete what you don't need, because really you just want an image of you and basically a capture form. And then you want to match the color branding of the offer page. All right. So you want to try to match the colors, the fonts as much as you can, the headline style, all that kind of stuff, using components from the sales page. So when people actually land on your landing page and they go to your offer, it's going to be congruent. It's not going to be this one purple and red landing page and all of a sudden you're in this green and gray sales page. It's just going to confuse people. So what? So you really want to match the sales page, right? And then you just connect the opt-in form. It's super simple. It's just like it just all is done. It automates a workflow. You put your emails in there. It shows you actually in the training, it shows you exactly how to do it all. It shows you how to even write the emails for the product if it's not provided by the creator. So super easy. Shows you exactly how to do it. So that's how you build your conversion funnel. The power of automated selling, why automation wins. Here's the truth. 95% of people don't buy on the first visit. They need time, reminders, trust building, and multiple touch points. An automated email sequence does the heavy lifting while you sleep. So the 5 email framework, which I swear by, some people like a 30 emails, some people like 60 emails, some people like 12 emails. I just like 5 emails. It's really easy to get it to the point. The first one is always welcome and deliver whatever you promise. You always want to be leading with a lead magnet, give them something, whether you're sending them to a video on how to do something, or you're sending them a PDF, or you're sending them to a free resource, whatever it is, that's where you deliver it in that first email. You want them to go to their email to get that free resource. That's how you know they're going to open it, and that's how they're going to open your other emails. Second one, you want to have a story and relate. So you want to give them credibility, who you are. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you want to introduce yourself and give them more, and you want to build the connection with them. They surprisingly, there's probably the people that join your list are similar to you and have similar experiences. So you want to share those experiences. Third email, educate and overcome. You want to overcome objections. You want to educate them on why they need this tool or whatever the solution that you're providing. The fourth email, urgency and scarcity. Hey, you need to get this now. I don't know how long it's going to be available. I don't know how it's going to be available for this price. I don't know if they're changing anything. So you want to get it now. And then the last one is you do a final call. Hey, this is your last chance to get it. Now, after you do these email frameworks, you can still provide daily broadcast emails to them. But this is really your marketing engine. And if you don't want to do broadcast emails, then you're leaving more money on the table. So this is basically the first one to get them into becoming a buyer. And what's cool is once in CapHub, once they buy something, you can tag them as a buyer. And now you've got an A-list that you can send your offers to that are just strictly buyers, which is really important in any CRM. So your traffic engine, where do you get your leads from? Where do your sales come from? The best place, social media. The 3 best platforms are TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Now, Facebook, I hear lots of people are doing really well on Facebook. And if you have a following on Facebook, that's not your friends and family, because some people want to do this without having their friends and family, then that's great. Some people love selling to their friends and family. That's great too. It's up to you. Facebook can be, it's just you got to create that loyal support team or the group that you're in. So, this should say in my typo. In 2026 short form video, well, 2025 short form video has been, but 2020 going into 2026, 6 to 10 seconds, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, organic growth method. This is great. So what happens? Very first, you have 2 seconds to grab their attention. So you need to stop their scroll with a bold statement or a question or a movement, or so when they see that video come up on their thing, they're going to go, ooh, what's next? And they want to see what's next. So in that first 2 seconds, you don't want to do a video where it's like, well, people are gone. You need it to be instant. So when you're editing your short video, you need that your voice or music or whatever it needs to start immediately, and action has to happen, whatever it is. And you need to get people, boom, hooked in that first 0 to 2 seconds. 2 to 6 seconds, the story, the value. What is it you're going to deliver, right? What is the fact that you're telling them? What are you, guys, 2 to 6 seconds is a long time. You can get a lot in there. You can do lots of cuts. You can introduce 3 points, whatever it is. You basically, it's your story, your value, and then 3, your call to action. You read the comment below. Another action that I love using is, instead of doom scrolling, you could be doing this and then pointing down, because you want them to get into the description, into the caption, so they can read more, connect with you, and then either, if you have a call to action, I'm ready and I'll send you the info. Or I know you can't do that on TikTok. TikTok does not like the comment. So you just want to basically use that. You could be doing this, or I got you with an error, or read caption, and then in the caption you give them more of a teaser. YouTube, you can do it. YouTube doesn't have automation, so you'd have to go back and do it. YouTube tends to get high quality buyers. It's just you don't get as much traffic. It's much harder to go viral on YouTube with shorts. So that's it. And CTA stands for call to action. The 3-second rule, I think it's now a 2-second rule. If you don't capture the attention in the first 3 seconds, a viewer scrolls away. Make every frame count. All right, 2 more slides, guys. The ultimate high ticket offer for 2026, passive digital market mastery. Now, this is why I love this. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this, and there's kind of a different ways how you want to go get it. So PDM is the top program for beginners, eliminates any traditional barriers to the entry. The system, funnels, products, sales process is all completely done for you. You get 100% commission right into Stripe. You're literally paid in about 72 hours. You have money that you're able to spend. It's built specifically for total beginners, zero experience, tested systems already converting at high rates, complete training and ongoing support included, no package creation, no product curation, customer service, or fulfillment. Now, there's two ways you can do this. I recommend, and what's cool about PDM is that it was built on CapHub. So when you purchase it, it's automatically put into your CapHub account when you create your CapHub account. And how you do that, and this is what I recommend. In my link below, where it says get CapHub, you're going to go get it. You're going to get my special pricing, which is a third of the cost. And then right there, you'll be taken to Online Profit Secrets, and that is also discounted by 20, it's 25% off there. So you just go through and then you've got the two. You've got your Cap Hub and you've got the Online Profit Secrets, which is going to teach you everything about learning Cap Hub, how to use it. You're going to get those other 4 products. And then once you do that, you want to go get your Passive Digital Mastery course, the 100% one. And I've got a special coupon for you there as well, where you can take $100 off it. So there you go. All right, so that is the program you want to be promoting. So again, this is your blueprint for the 1K day. You now have the complete blueprint. High ticket offer, 100% commissions, an all-in-one system that handles your entire funnel. Traffic strategy proven to work in 2026. The delivery is done. The system is built. All that's left is you. So I want to leave you with 2 statements. Action beats fear. Every successful entrepreneur started exactly where you are now, uncertain, but willing to take the first step. I'm a prime example of it. I was uncertain, but I was willing to take the first step, and I did it. Secondly, consistency beats talent. The person who posts daily for 90 days will always outperform the genius who posts when they feel inspired. So you just got to be consistent, guys. No matter what you do, you got to be posting. And you don't, that doesn't mean you have to film every day. You can film, be real. And this is what Fran teaches in PDM. B-reels are what it's all about. Go out one day and shoot 30, 40, 50 B-reels. Have your kids follow you, just doing mundane daily stuff. You can use those with a really bold statement and they connect with the audience because they see this person just doing everyday stuff and they go, wow, if they're just doing everyday stuff and they can do this, then I can do it. And that's what's key about the B-reel stuff. Your high-ticket affiliate model works. The systems are proven, the opportunity is real. Now it's your turn to build something extraordinary. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Take action today. And I'm going to put all the links below in the description. And this is what I truly, highly recommend. Now, if you don't want to do what I'm doing, then go, you can, like I said, there's other videos on my channel on how to set stuff up. You go use ClickFunnels, Aweber, System.io, whatever. You can go do this, go find your products. I'm just saying, this is what I'm doing, and this is what works for me. All right, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, cheers.